Thanks for submitting that question on the SoundPoint IP 335 telephone. I've got the newer VVX, but the principle is the same because it's going to work on your SoundPoint 335. All right. So in the box, you're going to get a cable, and I'm giving you this as a pro tip so that in case anything happens or somebody else changes something on your phone or this, you're good to go. You've got a compartment that's in the intelligent cord. Let me show that to you. It says intelligent cord right on the front, and on the side, there's this little compartment. I'm going to open that up and it's going to expose some settings. And what I want to make sure is that nothing has been changed. And what you want to do, if it has, you want to change it to setting number 1. And I'll bring that close. So you'll see it's got numbers that go from 1 all the way through 8. You want it right there where it's at right now. That's setting number 1. If that's the case, go ahead, close this back up. All right. And now you're ready to go and use the training bundle with your IP 335 SoundPoint phone. If you have any other questions, go ahead and let us know if we can help you with anything else. I'm Rolando with Global Tech Worldwide. Thanks for sending us your question.